Hello friends, welcome to Technical Analytics. In this video, I want to talk about how to install RStudio. It is a very simple process, just a few steps. One thing I can say that you must have R already installed before install RStudio. Open your browser, type rstudio.com, then you click on download free desktop IDE. After clicking, a new window will be open. Here you can see the two versions. One is for desktop, other is for server. Here we are downloading the desktop version. Click on the desktop version download button. Website should detect which type of operating system you have in your system, and it recommended for your system that download RStudio for Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the button download button. After clicking, it start downloading. Once it finished downloading, open the .exe file. Click on next. Choose the destination folder as a default. Click on install. It will take few minutes to install. It finishes. Go to the start button. Launch your RStudio. Now it's running. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.